Despite speculations about his health, the family of Dolphy reassures the public that the Comedy King's condition is being closely monitored at an undisclosed hospital. In his most recent tweet, Eric Quezon disclosed, and we quote, "My dad was sent to the hospital last Saturday because of his pneumonia," unquote. Ang dahilan umano ng paghihina ng kanilang ama ay sanhi ng kanyang COPD o Chronic Obstructive Pulmonary Disease. Kinailangan daw kapitan si Dolphy ng respirator upang makahinga. Eric added, and we quote, "Currently, his vital organs are all in order and he is responding to treatment very well. However, he is still under close observation and round-the-clock intensive care to make sure he recovers well. Thank you for your love and prayers. Maraming salamat from the bottom of his heart," unquote.
At on the line is Eric Quezon from Hong Kong. Hello, Eric.
Hi, Ricky.
Hi, Eric.
Sa mga nanonood ng Star Talk, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat.
Kasama ko si Boots, si Lolit, si Joey.
Hi, Butch. Hi, Lolit. Hi, Joey.
Oo.
Hi, Enrico.
So, Eric, I understand na ikaw yung ina-update ng doctors ni Mang Dolphy, no?
Yes,
Kailan pa
yes,
nasa
yes.
hospital ang daddy mo at ano ang kinocomplain niya noong dinala sa hospital?
He was checked in last Saturday. So, bale, isang linggo na ngayon. Because he was having difficulty breathing. At the same time, during that time, he had a slight pneumonia. So, with this condition kasi, with the COPD, dapat the slightest pneumonia or yung nahihirapang paghinga, pinadala siya kagad sa hospital. Apart from his regular checkups, no? And then, for the longest time, he was having difficulty breathing. Tapos at hanggang mga Tuesday, and then at the same time, we had a little bit of a scare because he was having difficulty. Nahirapan siya mag-pupu at nahirapan din siya mag-ibig. So his other organs were being affected, no? So what happened was, so we had to so sobrang hirap niyang na hindi na siya, kumbaga yung nahirapan na siya talaga huminga kasi yung carbon dioxide level niya tumaas na umabot sa 81%, and that is really high. Ang normal para sa kanya dapat nasa mga 30 to 40 lang eh. So ang nangyari was na naiiwan yung carbon dioxide sa kanyang katawan, so naging unconscious siya. So when we tried to we were trying to put him back to the normal range, he fell unconscious, and then yung ginawa ng mga doktor is they had to respirate him kasi yun na nga yung kinakatakot ng family kasi pagka na-respirate siya, so medyo delikado yun. So, but after Tuesday, nung Wednesday na, it came to a point na parang then the Wednesday came and he became better. So all of a sudden naka-release na siya, both urine and fecal, no? So at the same time, kumbaga parang naginawan. So all of a sudden his vitals went up. So his organs were starting to function again. So it's actually very good news because as of today, they're thinking of removing or lowering the oscillator. So at saka win-win na siya, no? So binabawasan na lahat yung mga binibigay na gamot sa kanya because he's responding well to treatment. At saka lahat ng mga gamot na binibigay sa kanya. So right now, it's really positive news for the family. So ang inaantay na lang namin nga is the doctors are going to try and see if he's going to respond well if we remove the respirator. So if he responds well, then he's going back to that normal state na nakaka-breathe na siya dun sa regular oxygen. At saka ang pinaka-importante talaga is sana yung BiPAP. It's a machine that lowers the carbon dioxide level of the body. So So ang ina-expect namin talaga is pagka ginawa sa kanya yung BiPAP, yung machine na yan na nagpapababa ng carbon dioxide, pag nag-respond, if he responds well to that, then he's gonna be okay.
Eric,
Yes.
May tanong sa'yo si Lolit.
Eric, may
Yes,
mga balita. Anak, may mga balitang bawal daw dalawin si Mang Dolphy.
As of now, kasi nagkaroon siya ng parang they're worried kasi since ang daming inano sa kanya, ang daming tinusok na IV sa kanya. So nagkaroon siya ng parang ng infection sa kamay. Usually kasi pag may pumupunta, hinahawakan siya sa kamay, hinahawakan siya sa ano. So right now, pinagbabawal muna ng doktor na pwedeng dumalaw, masisilip siya through kasi right now he's in the ICU because hindi, kumbaga, maski na pa sinabi natin na his vitals are improving or he's normalizing because of his yung difficulty niya sa paghinga. So it still requires immediate attention. So kailangan talagang round the clock observation. Yung talagang inoobserbahan siya kung ano yung magiging sa kanya. So right now, pinagbabawal ng doktor talagang na bisitahin siya na pwede siyang silipin
Eric,
sa window, pero bawal siyang puntahan kasi nga ang problema sa kanya is madali siyang kapitan ng virus ngayon because syempre mahina na yung kanyang immune system. That's why yun yung pinapaano ng doktor na pinagagaling mo na siya, pinapalakas yung kanyang immune system. At saka yung mga sugat niya sa kamay na because of nga dun sa mga tusok ng mga IV na gustong maano ng doktor, pinagagaling muna yun.
Eric, this is Butch, no? Sinabi mong, siyempre dapat pag nasa ICU, pag-ingatan dahil madali siya ma-infect. Pero sino ang nagbabantay sa kanya?
Nagpapalit-palita kami magkakapatid. Like right now, I'm just in Hong Kong because I have to file for a leave of absence from my work here. Tapos, si Sasha ang talagang nandoon. And then yung mga kapatid ko, nagpapalit-palitan din sila. Nagpapalit-palita kami actually.
Eric, anong reaction ng pamilya mo sa mga malisyosong chismis na masama ang nangyari sa daddy mo?
Well, di ba, maraming beses na yan, Ricky, na parati siyang nagchichismis na patay na siya, yung mga ganyan. And knock on wood, no? So, I think siguro yung mga yun, lalong pinapahaba yung buhay niya. So,
very good, actually.
I think na talagang marami nagmamahal sa kanya, marami nagdadasal sa kanya, and I think that really helps.